Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations, and I'm here to show you a little Michael's haul and then a few things I grabbed at Walmart. So I thought I'd show you real quick from Walmart. First I got these bars. These are one of my favorites. I got lemon bar, and then I got these s'mores bars. These are absolutely delicious. So these are two of my favorites. So I got that. And then next thing I got some of my hair ties. I needed some more scrunchies. I suppose I could have made them. Probably would have been better, but I got some of these. And then I got some rubber bands. Some reusable bags. Some charms, and some more charms. Just different types of charms. So that's what I got at Walmart. So my daughter likes to watercolor, so I got this, and some of this wasn't on sale. I had to use my 20% off regular coupon, plus I had a $10 voucher, so the price went down quite, with that. So I got these cute watercolors. I love the palette on this. Super cute colors. And there's 36 in there. Nice. Those pretty colors. It comes with a paint brush, and it's Artist Loft brand. Next thing I got were these magnifying glasses. Mine is still in storage and I don't know where they're at, so I had to end up buying these headsets so I can look at my diamond paintings and my jewelry making. So I got that. And then all my tools are in storage, so I had to get this cheap set here. It's kind of cheap. It was like 12 something, and I was able to get the 20% off on that. So I think it's $12.26, and then you get the gauge ruler here and then all your tools. So let's see here, flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, micrometer, bent nose pliers, long nose pliers, and side cutters. And this is the micrometer. I call it a gauge thing. So the total came up to, let's see, I saved $33.92 on here. So yeah. And then they gave me an extra coupon, but it's always on my phone. And then I got some, these, I use these for stitch markers. They're leverbacks, easier to clip on. I got these charms from Creology. That's a pencil. It says I love art. It has a paintbrush. I thought those were cute. Then I got my eye pens. They're 2 inches by Bead Landing. 72 pieces. And then I got some of these from Creology. And probably going to take this piece off and use them for charms. I thought those were cute. And then I got some beads. And none of these were on sale. I think most everything I got was on that 20%, except for, yeah, I think it was. I went at a bad time apparently. So I got some beads. 274 pieces. Craft beads, 1,400 pieces. And then I got this drill set to put in my to make some holes. So I needed that. handrail. And then I got the end pieces, the extension set. And I needed some more jump rings. 432 pieces for the small, medium, and the large. I needed some screw-in eye pins, and that was for the drill. I need these. People use them for resin, but I'm going to use them for the flat back type, the cabochons. That's what I want to use the drill for. And then I got some paint. I got acrylic glitter paint. I got some white, black, and I think this is pumpkin, pure pumpkin. And those are to paint my wooden pieces I got from the Dollar Tree, just so I can get them sent out in Happy Mail. So yeah, this is my Michaels haul. Real quick, in a hurry, fast. So yeah. Alright everyone, I hope you like my video. Please give me a thumbs up. And if you leave a comment, I greatly appreciate it. I love to respond back and read your comments. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.